Hi there, welcome to the Tent News, where the truth comes to light and the stories everyone is talking about are brought straight to you. From shocking confessions and viral social media moments to real life mysteries and trending drama, this is the place where we uncover it all. Now please watch this video first and I will be back with the rest of my commentary.
Into eyenzekileke lapha ke lo Thabo Bester lona ke uphile kangcono kakhulu esejele waphinde wasungula ikhampani wazeza njengomuntu ohlala emazweni asako America one media company edinga ama investors waze waselebrate ngisho ibirthday yakhe esejele wavela esejele evela ngegama lomunye umuntu kwacelebratewa ama investors afaka yonke inhlobo yemali multi-millionaire esejele khumbula lapha umuntu wayebizwa kuthiwa ke i-Facebook rapist. How many of them are out there? Umbuzo umile bangaki oThabo Bester abasema challenge ngamanje who are enjoying life to the fullest, who don't care, who abangenalizwelo lokuthi baboshiwe ngabe isigwebo sentambo ngoba uThabo Bester njengamacala akwenzayo wathola isigwebo sentambo ngabe namhlanje lezi inkinga esibhekana nazo ngazikho. And then he's also exposing the security threat in the whole South Africa. Ayibheke icala mfowethu hayi angikuzondi uyazi nawo nguzondi hayi kodwa mfowethu hayi akusebenze kahle mfowethu angazi noma iphathi lakho noma yini ngibonile ukuthi uyothandaza lapho xhumaxhumu xa uqala ngisho iculo lesonto angazi noma uhambile nje uhambile ningekho niseTanzania nje laphana into edala lokho ngizoyisho egcineni ukuthi idalwa yini. Bhekicele niyabahlukumeza abasebenzi yabona amaphoyisa omgwaqo amaphoyisa ama-SAPS abantu abangabavikeli abantu basemajele onesi othisha, all of those people they are subject to corruption. You know why? They are earning nothing. They are earning nothing, yet they are protecting the nation. I once said this ukuthi there is a timing bomb. Leli bomb leli fufusayo ngitshela mina ukuthi disaster eyocisha ifuze ama unrest eyocisha ifuze o coronavirus eyocisha ifuze inhlekelele zango 1976 into the timing bomb that is coming to our country if we don't resolve this nonsense of ukuthi abasebenzi bakahulumeni behola udoti behola amakinati behola uthuvi imali engekho. Bekicele ngakunikeza manje ngithi mina kuboni umuntu nje ordinary uhamba yerenke noma udive ngikunikeze nje 15,000 ngithi nawu cash ngene emotweni nihambe manje nidlule eMantros nithenge nekuthengayo nifike eGoli nibhuka indawo yokulala nibabilishe uwe nje nomkakho bese ngithi mina ke ngicela ke hambana ngolesihlanu sohlangana ngesonto bese mina ngicela ungiveze ethi usele namalini ungangabuye ngisho ukubuye eGoli ngendlela imali engekho ngayo. Lo hulumeni okwazi ukuntshontsha yena yedwa azakhohlwe ukuthi imali ivalue yayo isiyehle kangakanani. You don't even have a system to value money ukuthi imali mangabe siluze ivalue to this level, therefore 1,000 rand seliyafana no100 rand nihlanganisela libe into eyodwa lokho siphathisa amaphepha enqwaba la shit man. So that you can tap out to another value of money. Yabona. Now you have over delayed things and you can't even propose those things because you are busy fighting amongst yourselves. Futhi abakade abakhona 500 ohlangene nje abe into abendala isi late njengamanje sidinga u1000 ozorepresent u100 rand ube iphepha nje lilodwa so that people can see ukuthi the value of money have dropped this money. Therefore we need more systems to make sure that we are able to make more money. Ojele laba bathatha imali zoThabo Bester ngqondo okuclever laba abandlulayo ngokuhlakanipha into enjengalayo yini na yikho lokho ukuthi nina nifocus eintweni ezizikinga kumanje ngamani mahlakahlaka nje niseyinkingeni anizazi noma niyaphambili noma nemumva noma kuyalunga noma akulungi. You are more concerned about your political careers more than being concerned about the country and all of us. At the same time, the security of this country has been tested. Kuyabonakala ukuthi sigade uNkulunkulu during the unrest, during the lockdown. Kwabonakala isikhathi uNkulunkulu. Nasuka lapho nenza iphutha nathatha amasosha idingo singekho, nawathatha nawabeka kuma toll gate, nawathatha la gijima emphakathini, nithi ndiclare ama disaster nenze tahola amasarali angcono. Ngoba niziphuphu nina, qilibeni sibazi bonke, sehlakaniphile kade ngitshela njalo. Leziphukuphuku lezi nasoka lapho emveni kwalokho amasosha ahlelwa isithunzi so wabona ekhwexela amabhluku nemikhabe emide uphondo ekhwexela edla amapha ayiacha no Coca-Cola amasosha the highest ranking people that we should be most respected in this country, they were exposed that they are so weak and we may not fear them one day. And amaphoyisa, they are doing a wonderful job, but they are not enough. They are not earning enough. They don't have money. They don't have nothing. That is totally wrong. We love our country. We love ourselves. We love our life. We don't need this. We don't need any more conflict. Can you please avoid the conflict? Amaphoyisa namasosha amaphonesi abantu abenze essential abanalo ilungelo lokuteleka. Amaphoyisa wanalo ilungelo lokuteleka kodwa atholakala seyidubulile, atholakala seyikhungile ngenxa yekweletu, abakwazi kuganwa, abakwazi kwenza lutho, abanamali, bahola amakinati, imali nengaka nokwazi ngisho kuyintshontsha. Lehlulwa yini ukuthi nje minimum yephoyisa 25,000. 25,000. Oh nurse bawuthethe banokolo uthuvu usuku nosuku lapha lehlobo zenu. Kodwa nina you can't do that. I'm so concerned. Oh Tisha, they are the foundation of the future. Oh Tisha baneyinduna bonke basola ngisho imali ye-makeup, bane stress, bane pressure among themselves. They can't buy a luxury house, they can't buy a luxury car, they can't do anything, but they are forced to work and they have more time. They are not even allowed to have a side hustle as a result of rules and regulation of governance. So what do you call that? What do you call that? It's nonsense. You are failing us. You are failing the country. Therefore, we need to take it. Hambani lando Thabo Pastor. Kube uya ngempela. Hambani lande uNamdipha Mandundubele. Udokotela Namdipha Mandundubele. Kabefe nje. Kabefe shambe. You must protect this couple with your whole life so that it reaches the time where they tell the truth to the whole entire South Africa who was behind all this nonsense. Because akwazi ukuthi khona isiboshwa singehla esingeqakalula kanje yana in the highest ranking protectional services in the country as a result of ukuthi kunabantu abahlangene nabo abayizikhulu zamajele, abahlangene nabo abawongqongqoshe, abahlangene nabo abawosopolitiki. All those people must be exposed and must be exposed by them. Nizohlulwa izwe liphuka kangaka elinemjondo lama-toilet avuzayo odala salama oTanzania izwe liphuka ngalolu hlobo kodwa nihlulwa ilona ukuthi ikwazi ukubamba igebengu enzima kangaka. Nina niphilela ama-talk shows nje. Bengicela into eniyaziyo nje nina nalinsushela lomfana mncane lokuphalena lokho ukuphethe amajele. You are nothing my boy, you are nothing my boy. I'm telling you now. Dr. Ronald Lamola, you are nothing. Wawuphaphela ukuthi uyokhuluma ngaphandle lapha kubosha uzuma lapha ujawu uyokhuluma khona uzama i-political gaining nokuthi you are scoring for the points so that the president must not remove you. The president is supposed to remove you long time ago. You are doing nothing there. You are sitting and babysitting all the criminals that are within the correctional services. Bastard. Ninifly mahala and fly udot niyale phezulu emveni kwalokho again buyani nabo bephila labantu. We don't want crime in this country. As a president of the Bhinqa Nation, I'm telling you, we want Thabo back in prison. We want Nandipha in prison. All of the criminals must remain in jail. Not this nonsense that you're doing. You are failing our country. How can we get investors in a globe where we have no proper security in this country, where we have no sustainability in this country, regarding the security forces, regarding the essential services? Government people are earning peanuts as a result of your nonsense, while all of you, Ninama Plaza, no. makungeziwa lento ekuthiwa lifestyle audit ubani ongaphumelela kini oyedwa nje kuholwa malini lapha ezikhulwini kahulumeni njengoba nonke ninamaplaza ngithi ke mina mabhinca ngithi mina ningizimu Afrika nithi abantu bakobaba fana nilazi leqiniso lazini ngempela futhi into esifela kusasa leyo.
I just feel like at this point Ungizo should play far away from the camera because wow, yo, it's a lot. It's a lot. I know that sometimes he might be telling the truth, which some of the things are facts. In fact, he's telling the truth, but I feel like he should play far away from the camera because this might get him into more trouble. He's basically talking about the thing of Unandipha and Thabo Bester to say they have to go and check what's going on and arrest those people, which for me I feel like this is a very complex situation which no, he doesn't have to get himself in those kind of situations. He really doesn't have to get himself in those kind of situations. And he also called the government to say those people are taking, because they are earning peanuts. Like, they do not earn enough, which I agree with him. 100% I agree with him. If I am earning enough, what will be the use for me to compromise my job? Obviously, I will not compromise my job unless if I'm not earning enough, and you get to that point of compromising your job, taking bribes and, such things, which is very bad, man. It's really, really bad. I never saw it in this way until Ungizwe said it himself, to say it's because they're not earning enough. That's why they're doing what they're doing to survive. Which it's really sad, Shem. It's very, very sad. I don't even want to lie to you. I feel like I just wish the government can actually fix that, so that we don't have such problems in the country. Which means high crime rate will just continue growing. Corruption will continue growing because people are not earning enough and they end up doing what they need to do to survive. But anyway, please say your thoughts down below in the comment section.